Today, we will be discussing parts of a computer. First one is monitor. Monitor is an electronic output device, also known as video display terminal, used to display images, videos, and text. Dito natin nakikita yung mga article or whatever na binabasa natin or pinapanood. This one is what we call keyboard. Basically, siguro lahat naman tayo alam yung keyboard. So, isa itong input device wherein dito tayo nagtatype or kung may sinesearch tayo, dito tayo naglalagay or sinusulat. This one is what we call mouse. So, ginagamit natin yung mouse para pang pinpoint ng place na gusto nating puntahan sa ating monitor. Let's move on sa ating CPU. So, this one is the computer case. Basically, enclosure siya ng lahat ng parts ng CPU. Part naman na i-discuss natin ay yung RAM. Ito yung RAM ng ating CPU. RAM is Random Access Memory. So, yung RAM nito is GX1 SATA. So, merong iba't ibang size yung RAM which is 120 gig, 240 or more. Next naman na i-discuss natin is yung power supply. So, ito yung power supply. From the word itself, power, ito yung powerhouse ng computer. So, hindi gagana yung computer kung wala to. At itong power supply nito is yung peak power niya is 750 watts and rated power is 230 watts. Next naman natin i-discuss is yung motherboard. So, this is the motherboard. So, motherboard is the main circuit. Sa madaling salita, inaalaw niya yung CPU, RAM, or ibang parts ng computer to communicate or share data. At lastly, dito nakalagay yung fan ng CPU. So, yung fan para hindi masyado mainitan ng ating CPU kapag ginagamit natin to. So, let's talk about computer system, which is yung hardware at software. Hardware, ito yung physical. Kunwari, monitor, mouse, keyboard, and yung software naman is yung kabaligtaran niya. Ito yung mga set of instructions, data, or programs. So, pinaka-simpleng example ng software is yung kunwari, application sa phone. So, let's move on sa 4 basic function of a computer. Number 1 is input. From the word itself, input, ito yung pag-transfer or paglagay ng data or information. The simplest example is, kunwari, pag nagtatype ka ng keyboard, nag-input ka ng text. This is yung processing. Processing is yung nagmamanipulate or nagko-control ng data or information sa computer system. So basically sa computer, yung CPU is parang yung brain ng isang tao. It's storage. So storage, dito natin sinisave yung mga information or data. Pwede siyang external or internal. Pero usually sa flash drive o kaya sa hard drive. Output. So output is displaying information. For example, nag-input ka ng image or text at lumabas to sa monitor, yun yung output. Kunwari nag-input ka ng image at nakita mo siya sa monitor, that's what we call the output.